Here you are, my queen, your strawberry milkshake.
Why, thank you. How very special. Move along. Hey, Wes and Melissa here. Wes is behind the camera. We're here at Parkesdale Farms in Plant City, Florida. It is officially strawberry season, and we are gonna celebrate with a very sweet treat. The world famous strawberry shortcake is available starting in January through the first weekend of April.
How long have you been coming here?
I've been coming here for a long time. I love these strawberry shortcakes. There's no other strawberry shortcake better than Parkesdale Farms.
When we started dating, we came here. She brought me here, and she said her and her family have been coming here for a long time. So she introduced me to the ways of the strawberry shortcake.
Yes.
I'm ready to go get one. Let's go. Come on. What are you waiting for?
They're addicting. They are. Once you have one, you'll never go
The
back.
line's getting long. Come on.
These strawberry shortcakes are really popular. There is a line here, and typically through the season, you're gonna find a line to get one of these world famous strawberry shortcakes.
It goes pretty quick though.
It does, they're pretty efficient. So you do have a variety of different shortcakes that you can order. Then you can get it with ice cream, vanilla ice cream, a strawberry sundae float, no cake, strawberry milkshake that's been featured on the Food Network, no berries, cake and no berries, no sugar berries, and cake and no sugar berries.
Wow.
So a variety of options for everyone to enjoy one of their tasty treats.
Sweet. This one and this one.
So Parkesdale Farms, a little history, is a third generation family farm.
That's right.
It's been here since February of 1969.
That's the same year they landed on the moon. The line is actually moving pretty quick. They've got their act together in there. They've got like an assembly line going. They got this like automatic whipped cream machine thing that's like it's like a garden hose, for lack of better terms. Instead of water coming out, whipped cream comes out.
I want one of those at home. Can we get one of those at home?
Also,
when you're ordering, make sure that you know what number you want when you get up there, because they're calling out next, and they want to know what number you want, not the actual name, but the number of the item you want. So have that ready. They also have a gluten-free cake as well. That's from, I think, Girl with the Whisk Tattoo.
Yes,
which is a local bakery here in Tampa.
Yep.
Lots of options, something for everyone.
We've moved about 20 feet, and we got to go through here and work around that way, and so we probably got another about 5 minutes. We're getting closer. If you haven't made your choice back there, you can review the choices here. And if you still don't know, there's one more right there. She's still looking around, she's contemplating. I don't know.
It's strawberry shortcake time.
Is this all ours?
This is all ours.
Okay.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Thank you. Now the fun part, we have to pick a table. This area is so cute, I love it. It's all like strawberry themed with the green and red colors. Oh, something fell.
Party foul.
It's the strawberry shortcake. Ah. You've got your shortcake, you've got your strawberries, you've got your ice cream, and you've got your whipped cream. What could be better than that?
I'm trying to squeeze all this in the same shot, so I'm gonna have like really bad posture for this part of the video. Wow. Strawberry carnage. Cheers.
Cheers. First strawberry of strawberry shortcake season. Oh my gosh.
That is really good.
That cake is so good. It has changed over the years. They have been perfecting it over the years, but it's got that nice like biscuity flavor, and then it's spongy like a cake. So it's kind of like a biscuit cake.
Biscuit cake, yeah. It's not like, it works really well for the strawberry shortcake.
It's not super sweet, so it doesn't like overpower the strawberries. You can still taste the strawberries, and it also soaks in that strawberry juice. So it's really good. Then you got that ice cream on it.
For me, the ice cream is what makes it. Is it gives you that snap of like cold in there.
The ice cream, and then you got the whipped cream.
I think one of the reasons I like this so much, too, is they slice the strawberries thin. And it's just a kind of a cool texture. Can you see that? Is it focusing?
And pro tip, if you want a vegan milkshake, they are selling out.
Yep.
I guess it's made with Eclipse ice cream, Eclipse vanilla bean ice cream, which is real vanilla bean, and it's 100% plant-based. So Well, we didn't get to try that one, but we're gonna try the original strawberry milkshake here in a minute.
If you guys are enjoying this video so far, please do us a favor, hit that like button down below. We'd really appreciate that.
Strawberry milkshake.
Oh, that's kind of cool. They give you like a thick, this is a thicker than normal straw. Mm-hmm. Sharing is caring. That is good. It's like drinking it kind of like through a garden hose, but it's to get those strawberry chunks. That is good.
This milkshake was featured on the Food Network and was America's #1 winner for a drinkable dessert.
I believe it. It's really good. Can I see that real quick? Thanks.
All right, so I'm gonna move along to the gluten-free cake. This cake is made by a girl with a whisk tattoo. Clever. Girl with a whisk tattoo,
Who's local.
which is local here in Tampa. So you can see how nice and flaky that cake is. All right, let's try it. We're gonna try just the cake. Not bad. It's got more of a biscuit
Let me see. Let me try.
flavor and texture to it. So it's a lot more crumbly and it's not as sweet. But I think that once you put the strawberries on it and like the ice cream and the whipped cream, you probably can't really tell too much of a difference other than the texture. It's a little bit more like flaky or...
It's very like a biscuit.
Mm-hmm. Yep, very biscuit-like.
But
All right,
good.
so I'm
It's
gonna
good.
put strawberries on it. Throw those strawberries on there.
What's the verdict?
Once you put those strawberries on there, you can't even tell the difference. The regular strawberry shortcake has more of like a cakey like texture to it. So it's more like dense and soft, like fluffy, where this is a little bit more like a biscuit.
Okay. All right, let's see.
But the taste, when you put the strawberries and the juice on there, it's like the same.
She is gluten-free. Yeah, I still prefer the original.
I prefer the original too, but it's a great alternative if you're gluten-free.
Yeah.
And you really, like, as far as flavor goes, you can't tell, it's just the texture.
Yeah, and also milkshakes too.
Milkshake.
We're gonna finish up our desserts here, and then we're gonna take you around and show you the rest of Parkesdale Farm Market and see what else they have.
One of our favorite things to do here at Parkesdale Farms is get a photo here at the Strawberry Throne. Something else that's really cool that you can participate in is they have these maps on either side of the Strawberry Throne. But grab your pin and place it where you're from.
Got somebody from Ukraine, Italy, Santo Domingo,
China,
Washington,
India,
so all over the
Cape
place.
Town.
So truly, world famous.
Now that we're nice and full, we're gonna go take a tour of the farm market over here. But before we do that, I'm gonna tell you that they have 2 different menus aside from strawberries. They do have a summer menu and a fall menu. In the summer, you can get one of those famous pineapple Dole Whips. They have pineapple Dole Whips right here. And then in the fall, they have things like pumpkin spice, apple pie milkshakes, and also a fan favorite, the corn milkshake.
You say corn, like
Corn
C-O-R-N?
Like C-O-R-N.
Huh.
And I've heard you either love it or you don't, but it's pretty popular here in the fall.
Interesting.
I haven't tried it yet, so next year. If you love cooking, if you love veggies, this place is a great place to get some farm fresh veggies, herbs, onions, pineapples, citrus, bananas, Parkesdale strawberry preserves. Do not leave here without your strawberry preserves. This makes one heck of a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Just in case you are really, really hungry, you can get a t-shirt that says, "Did I really eat the whole thing?" I kind of like that shirt, it's fun. Ooh, strawberry poppy seed dressing. That sounds good. So aside from it being the largest strawberry farm here, it is also one of the largest citrus farms in the state of Florida. I almost forgot. Come over here. You've got your Parkesdale Farm old-fashioned strawberry cookies. And then you have the strawberry bread. Now there's a big debate here at Parkesdale Farms. Bread or cookies? Which would you prefer? We know the right answer. It's both.
Melissa just ran out here while I'm getting B-roll, and she was so excited to tell me that they have boiled peanuts.
They have boiled peanuts here. If you know, you know. But we're gonna get some of those.
Yep. All right, I'm going back to my B-roll.
I've done a little shopping. Gotta make some home cooked meals at home, right? We eat out a lot, but we gotta do some home cooking, especially now. We should make some good soups for this cold weather. I wanna make a butternut squash soup. One last thing, before you leave, make sure to grab your flat of strawberries. They also have these winter frost pine berries. Have you heard of pine berries before? They're kind of like a trend, these white strawberries here. We're gonna try them out. But they're from Parkesdale Farms, homegrown right here, homegrown strawberries. We're ready to go home and make some strawberry shortcakes now.
I'm good on strawberry shortcake for at least a couple days. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. If you've enjoyed, give us a like down below, and we'll see you on the next one.
So long, Parkesdale Farms. Till next time. We're gonna put a little hairnet on so we can go in there and see where the magic's made. How do I look?
That's very nice.
Ooh.
There we go. All good?
All good.
My hair knitted up?
Yay, strawberry shortcakes. I'm gonna do my strawberry shortcake dance.